If you're just starting with image editing, Adobe Photoshop might seem a little overwhelming. But here's why it's absolutely worth learning. First, Photoshop is the gold standard. It's used by photographers, designers, and creators around the world. So once you know it, you're speaking the same visual language as the pros. Second, it gives you total control. From basic cropping to removing entire objects, Photoshop lets you fine-tune every pixel. And that means your images won't just look edited, they'll look polished. Third, layers are your new best friend. Instead of making permanent changes, you can stack, tweak, and experiment, all without losing your original image. It's like having an undo button, times 100. Fourth, there are smart tools made for beginners, like Select Subject, which uses AI to cut out people or objects with one click, or Content-Aware Fill, which magically removes distractions. And finally, Photoshop grows with you. Whether you're just adjusting brightness now or designing posters later, it's the same tool. You don't need to switch apps when your skills level up. So if you're serious about learning image editing, Photoshop isn't just an option, it's a foundation. Start small, stick with it, and watch your skills explode.